Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mini Cooper Countryman, and we're gonna be looking at replacing this cover here. So this is the rear door handle, or well, the release, so you can open the boot. And this little cover here is gone really sort of horrible. It's grown like as if it's getting corrosion. So this white stuff going underneath the chrome and then just growing everywhere, really not very nicely. You can just see that there, and the paint will start coming off, and that white stuff basically that builds up beneath the paint. So anyway, that's what I want to replace because it does look horrible. So it's not a difficult one. I'm just gonna put this bit of rag under here so I can sort of keep that a bit open, and just in there's this tiny little hole here which you wanna maybe open a little bit like so, and then maybe just get your prying tool. It's basically just clipped on there. Might be a little bit difficult to do it with one hand. Okay, let's attempt this again. So I have been able to, if you get your screwdriver and you push it in a little bit more and get that opening there, you'll be able to get this a little bit more in there, and then try and pry that open. So that just came out. So it's basically just clipped on. You can see the clips all around there. And well, now we need to, it's made in Spain apparently. Now we need to order one. So I'm just going to call BMW and get one of those. Okay, so here's the new emblem I got from BMW. Nice and shiny. And the part number for that was 51149811724. This was about £40 here in the UK. So not that cheap, to be honest, for a little bit of plastic, but I really needed it, so that's why I'm changing it. Okay, so let's just go and plug this into the car. Okay, so technically all we have to do is push this in. You can see the clips all around, and that should clip back into these specific holes for those clips. So we could just, I suppose, line it up and push that in, and that's it. We have a very nice looking, oops, okay, so it's come out a little bit there, so definitely push it in properly. Right, again, that's done. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.